من دبق بقدر وقت نقدر غالو من دبق بقدر وقت نقدر غالو وقت تخبلو قدردان وقدردان دے. اس کے بعد میں دعوت دیتا ہوں کلاس 10 کے ہونے والے طالب علم عمر فاروق کو کہ وہ اسٹیج پر آئے اور شریف خواندگی اور اس کی اہمیت پر انگریزی زبان میں اپنے خیالات کا اظہار کریں. آپ سب کی بھرپور تالیوں میں عمر فاروق.
من الشیطان الرجیم. بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. President, and my respected audience. Today my topic of the debate is literacy, a shining way to the progress, peace and prosperity. Mr. President and my respected audience, illiteracy is nothing but ignorance and darkness. It creates nothing in mind but tension and suspense. Literacy is a wisdom, awareness and knowledge. So take your way to the school or road to the college. Mr. President and my respected audience, literacy means to be able to read and write with a sense of knowledge. If we cast a glance on the latest global ranking rate, we will know that the country who are the topper much developed than the lower one. So it is clear as broad daylight that literacy is the key to the progress and prosperity. So the country who wants a bright future for the betterment of the people must turn to education and enhancement of knowledge. My dear Mr. President and my respected audience, the very first command of the Allah in the last book, that the last book is read to write and is read to write with a pen. The Holy Quran. The Holy Prophet of the Allah is declared it is an obligation for every woman and man to seek knowledge from the cradle to grave. The Holy Prophet ordered to the Muslims to seek knowledge in far-off countries such as China. The great warrior of Islam, the great fighter of Islam, he gave with our knowledge and with our enemies. Yes, the knowledge will not be cherished, but the wealth will also be exhausted and perished. Mr. President, on one hand, the country who strives to get knowledge is wonderfully progressing in every field of life. On the other hand, the nation who neglected the wealth of education and turn to the worldly person. Ending my speech. So before ending my speech, I call upon every Pakistani, individually or collectively, work for promoting the literacy, that is the humanity, and for the sake of nation. Dear Mr. President and my audience, I end my speech on his wise words. Ignorance makes a man forget even his own personality, but the knowledge makes the whole world acknowledge his personality. Thank you.